A tool used to secure objects in one place by applying pressure to hold it together is known as clamp. You can make your own C-clamps from PVC pipes as shown, used for various working, i.e. woodworking, etc. A compass is a mathematical tool normally consisting of two arms making mark on the paper. The distance between two arms can be adjusted for creating circles and arcs of different sizes. By holding compass at the pivot point, usually a metal tip at one arm, second arm can be adjusted. You can make amazing stand, tool holders and handles for sponge from recycling old water gallon as shown. A hand-guided mechanical roll bender is fabricated from 3 rollers, 2 pieces of metal plate, chuck, sprocket and chain, etc. A roll bender is a mechanical jig having 3 rollers used to bend a metal bar into a circular arc. A hand-guided mechanical roll bender is fabricated from 3 rollers, 2 pieces of metal plate, chuck, sprocket and chain, etc.